The Honda XR650L is the only motorcycle with a 650cc single-cylinder engine still manufactured by the Honda factory today, and it has the appearance of an old-fashioned dirt bike. If we judge a trail bike by its appearance, it could have been more acceptable to sell it in the 1980s or 1990s. The issue is that, when compared to a contemporary dual-sport trail bike, it is obsolete in terms of design and technology. But it's these modest characteristics that continue to draw admirers to the Honda XR650L. The Honda XR650L was first made available to the public in 1993, and as can be seen, only the color and stripes have altered since then. The Honda XR650L was developed as a dual-sport trail that is allowed to travel through off-road terrain and is permitted for usage on highways. Of course, the engine is one of the features that distinguishes this motorcycle. The Honda XR650L has a single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-valve, SOHC, RFVC twin-carburetor engine with a displacement of 644 cc, a bore of 100 mm, and a stroke of 82.6 mm, with a 5-speed transmission. Produces a max torque of 63.9 Nm at 5,000 rpm and 43.6 horsepower at 6,000 rpm. Even while the 650cc engine's output is not very outstanding, the torque it generates may not be found in contemporary dual-sport trail bikes. The XR650L engine offers torque that increases in all RPM levels, despite rotating at a relatively low RPM. The distinctive nature of the engine enables this motorcycle simple to ride up hills without having to profoundly twist a gas throttle. The Honda XR650L has simple technology that makes maintenance reasonably simple, especially for a motorcycle with a displacement of more than 600 cc. According to a review from one of the online media, if this motorcycle is consistently used, whether it be for off-road riding or daily use, the XR650L can endure 50 to 80,000 kilometers without needing extensive maintenance. Because there are still some trail bike aficionados who wish to buy it, it's not unexpected that Honda continues to maintain this motorcycle despite the appearance that it hasn't changed much. This motorcycle's chassis is made up of a steel trellis frame or cradle, a 43mm telescopic front suspension, 16 compression adjustment tabs, and a fully adjustable Prolink monoshock for the rear suspension. The legs then use radius-type wheels with front wheels measuring 21 inches in diameter and 300 size tires, and rear wheels measuring 18 inches and 460 size tires. At the front and back, respectively, both wheels are paired with 2-piston caliper disc brakes. Although this motorcycle is renowned for being sturdy and long-lasting, it may not be ideal for everyone's posture. The Honda XR650L dimensions are problematically tall, with a seat height of 940 mm. Therefore, this motorcycle weighs 157 kilograms when fully fueled and oiled. Therefore, it will be a little uncomfortable when used in challenging off-road terrain. The Honda XR650L only has one color option, which is white with red and black stripes, and is currently only sold in the United States. The most recent Honda XR650L model has a price tag of $6,999.